Welcome. This is a supplementary lecture series for the AE450 Flight Dynamics and Control class in 2019 case. I believe you have successfully finished how to model a conventional airplane, analyze its longitudinal or lateral motions, and finally design a controller which meets some design requirements. Now, to give you a quick summary of the entire course throughout the semester and present its real-life application, we are going to cover a dynamic model and controller design of a Quadrotor UAV. We will mainly cover these three topics. First, there will be some reviews on the key materials covered during the class, such as reference frames, coordinate transformations, and linearization using Taylor series expansion. Next, we start the dynamic modeling by specifying our Quadrotor configurations, considering basic aerodynamic forces in action, and completing equations of motion. In the end, we will briefly discuss the attitude controller design of our Quadrotor UAV. Thank you.